What's up, guys? It's Jeff here, aka Daily Drive It, and we're going to talk about the M340 today. That's right. You guys voted the other week and you're like, we want a build video. We want to know what you've done to the M340. Well, today we're going to break down the exterior, the interior, and then, of course, the engine and turbo. So let's go take a look at it and we'll talk about the M340. Well, there it is. It is hot today. So we're going to go a little over the build, what we've done, where we've come from this stock 2020 Drive It Shadowline M340 X Drive. Well, we've done a lot. Obviously on the exterior, we've got the gold, champagne gold, championship gold-ish wheels. We didn't go quite BMW clones. We didn't go quite Apex clones, but we have the wheels. But let's start off with the front. When we did this car, I said we've got to add carbon. I think Drive It, carbon, and gold look great. So first off, we've got the front Alibaba, that's right, Alibaba carbon grill. That's right, we went with Alibaba. We got this for like 120 bucks. It's a full carbon grill to go over the active grill. We did not do the delete, but got the active grill. Then we went with Turner plug and play yellow DRLs. And then for the front lip, we've got the beautiful Turner carbon as well to go with the whole Turner Motorsports theme. Then for the side skirts, we've got Souvenir. That's right, those are Souvenir Motorsports. That is their beautiful carbon side skirts. I love them. They flare out a little bit more on the sides than the regular OEM Shadowline side skirts did. And in the back, we've got the Turner carbon, I guess it's the M3 splitter on the top of the trunk lid. And then we've got the Turner carbon rear diffuser as well, which I will say I love it. The fitment is finicky. As you can see on the left side here, it wants to pop out. We've secured it. It's finicky, but it's beautiful. I think it's one of the best looking carbon rear diffusers on the M340. And look at the color of the Drive It, just in the sunlight. We've got the gold accents. Now, mind you, I did not clean the car the best. I did a quick wash. It's been raining the last 48 hours here in central Pennsylvania, and today it went from like 60s and 70s rain to 83 degrees and hot and humid today. So we're getting it all. So the car is not super clean, but it's clean-ish. So let's talk about the wheels. What do we do for the wheels? Well, I talked about it earlier. We have the Alibabas, baby. And you're like, Jeff, do you trust Alibaba wheels? And well, this car has now done over, I would say 15 to 20 6130 draggies. It's done launches. I've done it all with the hybrid turbo, the stock turbo. We've done it all. And they have not skipped a beat, no bends. They've balanced well and they look great. And for the price, I don't want to go spend $4 or $5 grand on a set of wheels I can get for around $1,000. So it's crazy to think about. These are forged wheels. So these are Alibabas. I actually worked originally with S58 the GOAT. And then we've done my own sets. I have 18s and I have 17 speed lock as well. But these right here are 9 by 19 square, 19 by 9 square. I've got ET25 on the front and rear. There's no spacers. So the fitment is just absolutely crispy. I get compliments on it all the time. I think it looks absolutely killer. And what do you guys think about the spot, by the way, where we're at? We're up in the middle of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. If you guys are local and know where we are, we're on the City Island parking garage. I said, what better day with the bright blue, beautiful sky than to go on top of the parking garage and get some photos. So I think I have the air on, so obviously she's revving up. I'm in comfort mode, but you can hear her just purring back there. But there's the exterior. We also have Turner Motorsports carbon mirror covers. I forgot about that. And then we also have the shark fin up top there as well from Turner Motorsports. We also wrapped, that's right, the wheels. We didn't talk about the tires for the wheels. We did wrap Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all the way around. 255, 35, 19. They fit fine. There's no rub. And we are on H&R springs for now. I'm really looking at coilovers. I want to get coilovers because if we want to go thick tire on the rear, we can raise it up a little bit, have that stance, but I think it looks great. Car needs a good detail. I've got a couple people locally that are like, Jeff, let me detail the beautiful daily Drive It, because we daily this car. That's right, it gets driven even in the rain right now. We've been driving it, getting logs, getting miles. That is the exterior. All right, let's look on the inside. What do we have done other than the messy stuff that we have in here? Yeah, we have the shaker bottles. We've got all the goodies. We've got the beautiful Alibaba M style steering wheel with the active buttons. That's right, these buttons do work. Sport mode, switch between your different modes, they do work. We've got the beautiful Alcantara inserts. We have the Infinite AutoWorks carbon overlay as well. The heating steering wheel, we've got everything. We've got magnetic paddle shifters down there. That's the only thing we've really done in the interior outside of adding the iPad mount, which if you want to know, the iPad does work. And we usually have MHD pulled up, and I don't know why I closed it, but we usually have MHD running there because we're doing a lot of logging right now. Shout out to Doug over at Subpar Tuning. That's what we're doing right now. There's only two people I really recommend right now in this space for tuning B58. That is Doug over at Subpar or Mr. David Shoop, which everybody really knows about. I love David Shoop, good friend, as well as Doug. Doug's just been with my car since conception. And the shop's like, stay with Doug, don't switch it up. Doug knows what he's doing. I'm like, he does. So those are two people I recommend. If you ever ask me who to go to tune your B58, S58, N55, it is A, Doug over at Doug Newton, Doug Talmadge over at, let's see, people know Doug Newton, Doug Talmadge, same guy. That is Doug over at Subpar Tuning or David Shoop. Tried and true. They'll take care of your car and make sure you don't throw a rod through the block. They'll be aggressive, but yet also make sure that engine is reliable. Now, speaking of engine, let's get on to the next part of the build, and it's going to be a little bit louder because we have the engine bay open and the car is running. It is idling, it is hot. I do have the AC on right now, but let's talk about the motor. What have we done? Where do we start with on this beautiful Dravit build? Well, we started first off stock. We went right into MHD Stage 2 Plus and said that's not enough. I said, I came from an N55 Stage 2. It felt a little bit faster, but I wanted more. And so we went right over, we picked up the DA UltraFlow. So we have DA UltraFlow, we have the Dorsch Stage 2.5 pump, and we added S58 injectors and an ethanol sensor, which you guys see sticking up over there. I hate the way they stick up over here on the B58s. We did that. We said, all right, great. We're dragging 6s and 7s, 6130. That's great, but we want more. So now we're talking about the build we have now. There's no more hybrid turbo. There's no more of that. We went full out on this build. So for the intake manifold, we've got EOS Speeds, highest end manifold with port injection. We're currently running 1300 cc injectors, ID injectors as well. We've got the fantastic Precision 6870 on a custom coming to the market Schmuck built top mount turbo kit. With phenomenal welding, absolutely beautiful. It's got dual wastegate mirrored on below the turbo with Turbo Smart 45mm turbos with 19-pound springs in right now. We've got the hybrid gold turbo guard right now to get all the airflow. We've got a black market, beautiful catch can going right now, which we actually need to empty out. I did get a little bit of overspray the other day. It is doing its job. Black market is catching the oil. It's filling up. We got to actually get that switched out. The motor. Who did we do with for the motor? Because our built motor, we went with carbon. And you're like, Jeff, why'd you go with carbon? Shop I know has had a good experience. I know people who have their motors, and it's legendary Steve Dinan. Swears by his motors, warranties his motors, really no questions asked. As long as you're not going stupid, they will warranty their motors. That's right, a built motor, that's warranted. That's why we did that. So we've got the Carbon Stage 2 Plus motor in there. It's got the lower compression pistons, forged pistons, rods. It's got ported head, valve train, and head studs. So, but I believe it has the OEM gasket. So that is what we have going on for the motor. The transmission, we have the spool. We have the spool Stage 2 transmission. I actually sent the transmission down to spool, down in Texas. They built it there, shipped it back. So we have the spool transmission, stock torque converter. No high stall, anything like that. We have stock torque converter. We have built axles in the rear from Drive Shaft Shop. We have the Drive Shaft Shop. That is a absolute tongue twister. Drive Shaft Shop rear axles, and then we have a Drive Shaft Shop carbon drivetrain. So the carbon drive shaft is going in. Actually, just came in today. It'll be going in here really soon, so we can start doing some more launching. Really want to shoot the quarter miles and go to, and hopefully even get over to Maple Grove to do some quarter mile here really soon as we address the tires. So Let's take one more look around the beautiful daily drive it. Again, the title of my channel is Daily Drive It because I do daily this. In Central Pennsylvania, if you see me around, beep at me, say hello, check out the car. I've met a lot of really cool creators here in Central Pennsylvania, as well as out towards Philly, all around actually Pennsylvania and even Mid-Atlantic. I've been to some Maryland events, been to Valvetronic, been to Impact. So if you've seen the car, make sure to say hello to me. Really friendly, love to talk about cars, engines, builds, been through multiple BMWs, multiple Audis. But really the BMW platform and the B58 platform is where we're at. So that is the car, guys. And that is the daily drive it. So next we're gonna talk about what do you guys want to see next on the channel. Obviously we want to do 6130s. We want POV driving, which I'm actually gonna give you a little teaser here today. And I'm also gonna hook up the Insta360. So I have an Insta360 X4 that's gonna go on the back. So if we go to Mexico, we can get some good footage. TRC, 1320 style. If you guys want to see some really good Mexico footage, we might be doing that here in the beautiful daily drive it. And on top of that, we're going to do POV, both nighttime and daytime. And then I'm going to be doing some really cool reaction videos. So I've got some creators locally, F80 Jordan, and a few other people here in Central Pennsylvania that will be riding along with us as they get reactions of the car. And you're asking me, like, where are we at with the car? Well, right now we are in the data logging and we're towards the back end of it. And towards the back end, I mean, we are making power right now. So much that the tire issue that we're talking about is next up for us. The drivetrain and tires are what we need to do next. We are talking high 30s boost. In Pilot Sports 255, 35, they lose traction immediately, second through fourth gear. So we are currently sitting at about 36 pounds at E60 right now, and we are gonna go a 5-bar sensor, and we're gonna push this and see what we can do here and trying to get close to that 1XXX number and hopefully a dyno session soon as well. So we got a lot coming here on the channel. Please make sure to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to leave a comment about what you want to see next, because I'm going to be pumping out content as fast as I can here for the Daily Drive It YouTube channel, as well over on Instagram with reels, content, stories, pictures, and more. We took some pictures here today with a beautiful day, so I'm going to be posting those over on our Instagram. I'm going to drop the links down below in the comments. Make sure to go over and subscribe. And if you're looking for parts for your B58 or your BMW, make sure to check out my Linktree down below as well, because we have sponsorships and partnerships with Bimmer Network, with Spool, and a few other, even wheels with Fortune Forged. So make sure to go check them out, get some savings, get some money, save some money, and build out a beautiful BMW. Until next time, guys, thanks for hanging out with me here in beautiful Pennsylvania as we look at the beautiful daily driving car, and I will see you guys in the next video. The entire time there. 38.6? No, we only hit about